the ground. Cast all trivial worries down. Stroll beneath sunset glow. Stream winds through the valley green. Trees form canopy serene. Soda bubbles bright and clean. Leave all troubles far unseen. Wind caresses tender face. He fades away without a trace. Embrace the sunny summer space. Peace and joy fill every place. Enjoy this cool and pleasant summer day. Let burning hotness drift away. Chat softly with the twilight sway. Collect sweet moments day by day. Clouds drift slowly in the sky. Cicada songs pass gently by. Walk along the forest side. Heart stays calm and satisfied. Wind caresses tender face. He fades away without a trace. Embrace the sunny summer space. Peace and joy fill every place. Enjoy this cool and pleasant summer day. Let burning hotness drift away. Chat softly with the twilight sway. Collect sweet moments day by day. Moonlight glimmers soft and pale. Warmth envelops summer veil. Cherish fresh and fine detail. Bless peaceful years without fail. Hills are dressed in misty hue. Clouds roam freely wide and new. Take your time and see the view. Catch refreshing moments true. Soft wind wanders all around. Sadness cannot stay unbound. Drift into serene profound. Happiness forever found. Enjoy this cool and pleasant summer day. Let burning hotness drift away. Chat softly with the twilight sway. Collect sweet moments day by day. Enjoy this cool and pleasant summer day. Let burning hotness drift away. Chat softly with the twilight sway. Collect sweet moments day by day. Moonlight glimmers soft and pale. Peaceful stories never fail. It's okay today if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it. You don't have to stay. It's okay today. Let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday. Didn't check your messages, left them all unread. Every little expectation sitting in your head. You don't have to answer, you don't have to move. Sometimes doing nothing is enough for you. You can let it breathe now, you can let it stay. Not everything you're feeling needs to go away. It's okay today if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it, you don't have to doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to last. Every kind of feeling is just passing past. It's okay today. You're already here. Every little moment now makes it all more clear. It's okay today. Nothing disappears. Every step you're taking now means you're still here. Didn't sleep that well last night. Music. Let's You don't have to hide it, you don't have to stay. It's okay today, let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday. Didn't check your messages, left them all unread. Every little expectation sitting in your head. You don't have to answer, you don't have to move. Sometimes doing nothing is enough for you. You can let it breathe now, you can let it stay. Not everything you're feeling needs to go away. It's okay if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it, you don't have to stay. It's okay today, let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday.
太酸了。
It doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to last. Every kind of feeling is just passing past. It's okay today. You're already here. Every little
有芒果的。
makes it all more clear. It's okay today. Nothing disappears. Every step you're taking now means you're